Hi guys, this is Rose. Welcome back to my channel. So I've been attending a lot of Diwali parties these days and the festival is around the corner. So I thought of making a video where I will show you my makeup, my hair, my outfit and everything else I do before going to a Diwali party. So let's get started. Before you start your makeup, make sure that your hands and your face is clean. First up, the product we'll use is a primer. I'm using the Youth Elixir primer. Now a primer is really important because it preps your skin up and also makes your makeup last longer. Once that is done, we are going to go ahead with the foundation, and I'm using the L'Oreal Infallible Pro foundation. It is my favorite and my mom's favorite foundation. It blends super amazingly and it looks really nice on your skin. The shade I'm using is medium. Next up, I'll go with the concealer, and I'm using the Maybelline's Age Rewind Concealer, which is everyone's favorite, and again I'm in the shade medium. This is all I do for my base. Then I will set it up with a compact powder. And then moving on to the blush. This is the coral shade which I'm using for my blush, and the same blush I'll be using on my eyes as the base for my eyeshadow. After I'm done with that, I will be using the H&M eyeshadow palette. Now I got this palette from Dubai. It is not available in India. H&M doesn't sell the makeup in India as of now, but I got it from Dubai and I love the shades. So I'm using this really bright pink because that goes with my outfit, and that is all I do for my eyes. I'll top it up with a really thin eyeliner and a lot of mascara. I love mascara. It is one of my favorite cosmetic makeup product to use. And I'm using two mascaras here. First one is for the volume and the second one is for the length. So this is how I use my mascara. Two mascaras to give the extra glam. I'm now using the highlighter, which is a liquid highlighter, and I think liquid highlighters do really well than the powder highlighters. They stay for long and they give a really nice finish to your skin. So I'm using this one. I don't know the brand because I got it from Singapore and it's probably their a local brand from there, but it works really well. After the highlighter, I'm almost done. I'm done with everything and I'm only left with the lipstick. And for the lipstick, I'm using the nudest of the nude shade because already my outfit is quite bright. It's like a bright pink color, and my eyeshadow is also a bright pink one. So I'm keeping the lips really nude. So yeah, that's about it. That is it, and the makeup is done. Let's now move on to the hair. So my hair are really oily, and whenever my hair are oily, I usually do the twisties, and I think they really suit my face. So I'm here doing a middle parting, and will twist my hairs. I'll pull out some strands and twist them from both the sides, from each side, and pin it up using these gold pins which are really in trend right now. I got them from West Side. And so yeah, that's about it. That is it I do for my hair, and I think the whole look with the makeup and the hair looks really cute. It's time we move on to the outfit, and let me reveal it to you. Tan-ta-da! So this is my outfit and I really like it. I got it from an exhibition, and it's not like very Indian, but it's more like an Indo-Western one. And when I'm having when I'm having a party with my friends, I usually wear something which is more young than wearing a typical proper suit. So yeah, I hope you guys like the outfit, the makeup, the hair, and that is all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit like if you like it, share it with your friends, comment down your views about my look, and please subscribe to my channel. I will see you next time. Bye.